God, dudes. This place is insanity scripted. Well, it is way too nice of a day to be ignored. I'm gonna try and sync this up right now. Can you see me? Snapping. Hopefully that works. I don't know what this dude is doing. He's going. He is going left. And I'm going right. And just in time for the red light. Woo-hoo! Alright, welcome to Moto-Mondays. I am TSF, your host. Moto-Mondays, what is up with that? Be honest with you, I just need an excuse to ride. No, it's because I love motorcycles. I love motorcycles. And hopefully you guys can hear me a little bit better. So Moto-Mondays, why? Because I love bikes. That's why, pretty much. In a nutshell. Love the bikes. And I don't ride enough. I mean, I can ride to work. But that's not too often with the weather out here. And today is a perfect day. It's not the warmest day, but it ain't the coldest. It's like 64, 65, and this speed and strength jacket is doing a good job of cutting out the cold. And I'm not wearing the liner. There's this, comes with the little hoodie, which I took out, and it's feeling fine. So anyway, I'm just going to take a quick lap to enjoy this day before night falls. Get my Need for Speed on, and I just hope that all my recording is working. I can see that the session 5 is working. Hi there. So yeah, Moto-Mondays. Moto-Mondays. Why Moto-Mondays? I need an excuse to ride, and I need an excuse to create content. So you guys probably noticed, if you pay attention to the TSF channel, my productions have not been, consistent. Like maybe one a month, maybe last year. So I don't have a lot of regular content output, and that's because of my soul-sucking job training the force. I want to put out a weekly show, at least 3 weekly shows, one being Moto Monday. And it's like, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to talk about the Raider. Of course, XVS19, which to my great disappointment and chagrin was discontinued like 2 years ago. Like 2017 was the last model, which was the version that I bought. So lucky me. And probably on a future episode I'll talk about my motorcycle journey and what influenced me, and how many bikes I've been riding. Suffice to say, right now I've been riding for about 15 years. Yeah, 2004. Even though it seems like a while ago, I guess it's been, it doesn't seem that long, but it was 2 years already that I've had the Raider, and I love it. But the weather out here, even though it's awesome out here, but the weather has it keeps you from riding. Sometimes it's too windy. More recently it's been too cold, and now as spring is approaching, it's just starting to feel good, like on a day like today where I don't got to wear thick gloves, I don't got to wear a liner in my jacket or anything, and it's all good. So anyway, Moto Mondays, what are we going to talk about? Well, 1, the Raider, 2, maybe some mods. I do plan on doing some stuff to this thing, so it may not all be on the from the road, maybe from the garage, but Moto Mondays, yeah, I'm excited. So you can look for a moto vlog type thing every Monday for the foreseeable future. Like I said, I'm pretty excited. But I also plan on doing 2 more shows through the week, and I'm actually going to need y'all's help on one of them. So I'm going to do this show called Fitness Fridays, where I kind of do a roll-up of my fitness activities for the week, where you can see results or not, successes and failures. I'm sure it won't always be success every week, but instead of having like a daily show, which I would never be able to edit in time for release, what I will do is I'll do a roll-up of the week's activities, and I'm talking about complete honesty here about what happens, how the life interferes, you know, with setting fitness priorities. The bottom line is there are things I want to do in life that requires a certain level of fitness, whether it's being up in the mountains or whatever. And in February I turned 50, so I'm kind of like, and my body is broken. It is. I got degenerative disc disease and like my 3rd vertebrae or something that's trying to pop out from the bottom. So I have constant back pain. So it's an issue, but they say 50 is the new 30, so I'm going to see whether or not that's true or not. So Fitness Fridays, catch it here starting in April. The next series I'm going to do, which is, I say next, but it's going to be kind of concurrent, is we do this show on Wednesdays. It's going to kind of be like a catch-all show, which I was like, well, what am I going to call it? And I was like, well, maybe Whatever Wednesdays. And I'm like, that's lame. So that's where I need your help. So put your comments down below the video about what you think a Wednesday show would be called. Now, I'm trying to keep it in line with Moto Mondays, Fitness Fridays, and then something Wednesdays. And that's going to be, like I said, it's going to be kind of a catch-all show where I'm going to either be doing some kind of prep or a gear check or something for either a backpacking expedition or a Jeep mod, or test it out, something with the Jeep, or any of the Jeep type videos, including trips, will be on Wednesdays. But I need your help. I need your help to help me decide what the hell to call it, because I kind of think Whatever Wednesdays is kind of lame. So I'm sure you do too. So put your 2 cents down below for some cool show titles, and if I like it, I'll use it. But like I said, I'm pretty excited about what's going on, what's fixing to go on here in TSF channel. Also, I'm going to be doing a drag bar here, maybe new mirrors, and then I'm going to be putting a 240 tire on the back. So a bunch of things going on with the Raider on top of trips, and then we might talk other stuff, parenting. I'm a single parent of a 13-year-old. So I'm not talking about like me telling you, but more like relating experiences and starting discussions. I'm definitely not an authority on parenting, but a single dad, only get my kid on weekends. So things that he's going through in school and how to deal with life training and stuff like that, and then later on he might be featured in a couple Wednesday shows based off of he was with me on a trip, some kind of expedition or something. So yeah. But yeah, let me know what you think about a show title for Wednesday. And if you haven't seen the TSF channel before, welcome. It's kind of like an adventure travel show. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's accurate. It's been hard, and part of the reason why I haven't been having a lot of output here, haven't been distributing stuff, is because I've really been trying to figure out a direction for the channel. I don't, how many times can you light a fire in the woods? You want to see that? Go watch a Joe Robinette video. He's camping every show. Anyway, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the series. If you're as excited as I am, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe. And we'll be seeing episodes Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on the TSF channel. A-hole. Just go ahead, dork. Wow. And we'll also be seeing that shit on Moto-Mondays. People trying to kill you. Even in BFE, people are trying to kill you. Because wherever you go, there are tweakers who are tweaking or playing cell phone video games. So until next Monday, have a good one.